Companies with national high-tech titles such as specialized, fine, unique, and new little giants and manufacturing single champagne has become an important force in promoting the high-quality development of the Canton Fair. During the first phase of Canton Fair themed around advanced manufacturing, the booth of domestic coffee machines saw a steady stream of merchants. In recent years, with the gradual popularity of global coffee culture, the demand for coffee machine has become steadily increasing, providing new development opportunities for China's foreign trade enterprises such as CINO.